Good morning, sir.
Today we have discussed regarding the automobile technology in a innovative way. That is innovation in automobile. That is the steering geometry we can consider, and different types of steering geometry or different angles we have discussed. And Mr. Ravi will discuss regarding the innovative parts in the automotive steering. Yes.
Good morning, guys. Thank you for giving opportunity, Tale sir. I will introduce the automobile engineering subject. It is related with the automobile engineering. It is branch engineering which deals with the designing manufacturing. Mechanical, as we know that it is a mechanical branch, deals with the cars, motorcycles and trucks and buses. And here is the top automotive technologies of the 2022K. First of all, it is the ADAS feature. It is the advanced driver assistant system, automobile braking system, connected mobile apps, and last one is 360 camera degree. First one I introduce about the ADAS feature. ADAS feature is the category of a system that can ensure that you can know when a vehicle is in a blind spot, can keep safe distance from a car, and can keep your vehicle from drifting into another lane. It is known as best application of idea. Thank you.
As you have mentioned about the automobile, we are just planning to get comfortable in the automobile sector. So we have decided to do some develop technologies in the automobile sector, in the heavy vehicles. In heavy vehicles, we generally see the most uncomfortable for the driver to unload the materials. At that time, we can use the 3-axis modern trailer. Basically, the 3-axis modern trailer is the when trailer is there, and we are using the pneumatics under it. Basically, the general trailers unload the heavy materials on only back side, but we are designing the trailer which can unload the all the materials present in the trailer in three sides, as a left side, right side and back side also. Basically in this trailer we are using the pneumatics, but when we are implementing this project in real life, we are using the hydraulics, as hydraulics are more powerful than pneumatics and they can lift the more load than pneumatics. Our relevance of the project, we can see that in this our project is mainly 3-axis modern trailer. In this solution, this is the solution for the long vehicle for unloading the material. Till now, we have just found out the which hydraulic for how much power should be used of the hydraulic for lifting the heavy loads. And our main project is we are just using this because in the industrial area there is less space for the vehicles to take reverse, then unload the material. So we are, instead of this, we are using this 3-axis modern trailer. At that time when vehicle is going and in that there is less space, at that time vehicle can unload the materials from left side also, right side also, whichever position we want we can unload the materials. So we are using this project, and the main our survey regarding this is in the several automobile garage. We have just given the service to the all automobile industries and main heavy materials industries whichever required. At that time we are going there, and we have seen the uncomfortable way of unloading the materials from the trailer. At that time we can use these three modern actions, and we have got this problem statement. Yes, as we can see our synopsis of the project, our present theory and practice, we have just gone through some literature surveys. In that they have used some methodologies. In that methodology, they have used pneumatics, but pneumatics are used for low loads. So instead of this, we can use the hydraulics, and hydraulics generally used for the heavy unloading of the material. And it can, when we are going to the advantages or objectives of this project, the objectives or advantages of the projects will be, it can save the manpower, it can save the time, it can save the fuel of the vehicle by taking long distance, we can unload the material at whichever position we want by using the 3-axis modern trailer. And in this 3-axis modern trailer, we can use the mechatronic system also for the automation by implementing the button. When we press the button, at that time which side we want to load the material from the trailer, we can press that button also, and our material will be loaded very fastly. As because of this project, we can increase the efficiency of the transporting all the heavy materials. That's our project, and we have just gone through some references of the literature survey. First one is of Ganesh Shinde and Prachi Tarve. They have just design and development of 3-way dropping dumper, and we can refer the page number as 49, and it is in published in 2014. And then second literature survey, we have gone through, the author name is Amboji Sudhakar R and Human Yogesh. It's International Journal Research in Advanced Technology, and it is published in 2014 same. And the third literature survey of Padmanabhan, yes, Chandrasekhar M and Srinivasan Raman V. They have just basically worked in design optimization of worm gear drive, and this is published in the International Journal of Mining, Metallurgy and Mechanical Engineering.